Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Remember when I said this works as a spectrum? Racism is a spectrum. Now, I'm not going to tell you what movies you should and shouldn't like, but the reason why you like it is because it harkens back to a time where you were above African Americans. So, by nature, by design, this movie is to make you enjoy it. You know who doesn't enjoy this movie? That that I think right there is the fact that we live in two different Americas right now. Is that we can watch the same movie and you will not get a single thing on why that movie is incredibly offensive. And you can just sit back and go, "Oh, I love those days. I love it when we owned people and then we got to beat them when they didn't listen to us, or maybe we just kicked them off the farm when." Little Johnny got a dog and he didn't want to return it. But instead of blaming Little Johnny, we blamed Remus instead. Oh, but we don't talk about that part in the movie. We want to talk about the cute cartoons that happens in the movie. It's embarrassing to see people say, "Oh, I love this. This is just something that I just grew up with." And they have no idea. They have no clue as to what's going on in the world. They have no clue. Just as long as they can just skate on by and just live life and zippity doo dah, all that. They don't wake up. Wake up.